Go ahead, Savannah. Show them your new trick. Show Auntie some. You show them it's one for you, one for Gracie. Gracie. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice, Savannah. Notice using the same hand that she's fed the dog to put her hand back in the box. Savannah, maybe you should have one. You want one for yourself? Savannah, not all of them for Gracie, okay? I guess Savannah and Gracie have found a common ground. The love of Annie's organic cheddar bunnies. Savannah, some of those need to go to you. All done? Okay, all done. And close the box. All right, all finished. No, not all finished. Savannah, no more cheddar bunnies for Grace, okay? Tell Mama. What? What do you want to tell Mama? Savannah, you can tell Mama something? Come on, let Auntie Summer hear you talk. Come on. Uh-oh. Say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? You want to do the filming? Okay. What are you filming?